We are making a very tasty, spicy Chinese dinner recipe today. Let's make Kung Pao chicken. The recipe is packed with lots of protein and good fats. Also, here are 3 tips to get this recipe right. Number 1, use diced chicken breast and ensure to marinate it for 20 to 30 minutes. Number 2, you can add protein of your choice and also add a little vegetable or chicken broth for better flavor. And lastly, the original recipe requires Sichuan pepper, but feel free to reduce or substitute it with black pepper. The full recipe is pinned. Do give this a try and enjoy.